The following lesson introduces users to the powerful 3D scene capabilities that are supported by the Inscriber Gscribe character generator package. 3D scene templates are created using the G3D design tool, which can be used on the Inscriber G5 XT and G7, or as a standalone tool. 3D scenes can be created using the integrated design tools in G3D, or you can create your scene using your favorite 3D authoring tool. Once a 3D scene has been created, the scene can be incorporated directly into your Gscribe playlist, just like any 2D scene. Multiple instances of the same 3D scene can be integrated into one playlist. Operators can customize the elements of those 3D scenes with their own content. The Quick Edit mode provides operators with a preview of the layout, as well as the tags that have been defined by the designer as editable. Even media assets within the scene can be updated by the operator quickly using the embedded media browser. Once the contents have been updated, the operator can generate an up-to-date preview frame. G3D layouts have the unique ability to provide additional operator control and interact with one another using loops, pauses, easy-to-integrate triggers, and scene controls, with no scripting required. In the first example, when the scene is triggered to air, the layout animates onto the screen and then pauses. You will notice that even though the main scene is paused, some elements within the scene continue to animate. This effect can be easily achieved using secondary timelines within the scene. The secondary timelines can continue to run even as the main timeline is playing. Simply click the Take button again and the timeline advances. Scenes can contain multiple pauses to achieve your effect. In the next example, you can see that the playlist contains 3 layouts using the player highlight board. Each of the pages in the playlist include different text and image content. When the scene is triggered to air the first time, the layout animates onto the screen. Now the operator can select either one of the player boards and take it to air. Rather than replacing the title that exists on air, the board plays the update loop to display the new player content. You can continue to trigger any other player in any order. Changes can be made right up until airtime. Once the scene design is finished, you can trigger the scene to exit the loop, and the page will animate off the screen. As you can see, G3D scenes offer the ability to easily integrate high-quality, complex 3D animations into your CG workflow. In the next lesson, we will discuss working with the G3D designer and creating your first 3D scene.